What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd do a nice little vid here, kind of a relaxing vid. Quick little Hot Wheels pickup that I got from the Walmart. This one's a monster truck, and you guessed it, it is a Back to the Future. Check this out. Back to the Future time machine. Plus you get a connecting crash car. So my boys got a few of these, and this is pretty cool. These monster trucks are pretty cool. There's some of the new series run for 2022 here that's currently on. Let's open this one up. Still working on the Delorean back here. Yes, I need to get back on this. And I got the kit sitting in boxes. Need to finish this one up, so stay tuned for that if you're here for that. But let's get a little DeLorean action. Little monster truck DeLorean action. Oh yes. Alright, let's take a look at this. I dig it. One day, let's see if we can, there we go, it matches. One day my DeLorean will look a little more like this. Except for the monster truck feature. Although this would have been cool if old Doc and Marty had to monster truck it out. We all know the DeLorean time machine met its bitter end. Thanks to Doc setting it up for that train hit. But I just kind of slides that one over. Alright, there it is. I like this. This is pretty cool. Of course, inside you have, looks like a engine mount in there. This DeLorean monster truck is still running off of the nuclear fusion. So it hasn't switched over to Mr. Fusion. These tires, they are flexible, but they're a little hard. I think it'd be cool if they were a little softer. But they do the trick. You have plenty of articulation. Give it that monster truck feel. There it is, a quick little vid. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Stay tuned. I'll be hitting this coming up. Probably the next few videos I'll knock out a few more kits. At least that's the plan. Thanks for watching. Anyone else getting these Hot Wheel monster trucks? Boom.